Agriculture is the foundation of human civilization. It is the bedrock upon which societies have been built and have flourished. From the dawn of time, humans have relied on the cultivation of crops and the raising of livestock to sustain themselves and their communities. It is the art and science of cultivating crops and raising livestock for food, fiber, and other products. This intricate practice involves a deep understanding of the land, the seasons, and the needs of various plants and animals. Farmers and agricultural scientists work tirelessly to improve yields, enhance nutritional value, and ensure the sustainability of farming practices. From the earliest days of human history, agriculture has played a pivotal role in shaping societies and sustaining life. Early human settlements were often established near fertile lands, where the potential for successful farming was high. These early agricultural practices laid the groundwork for the development of complex civilizations, enabling population growth and the establishment of trade networks. Without agriculture, we would not have the food we eat, the clothes we wear, or many of the materials we use every day. The diverse range of products derived from agriculture, such as fruits, vegetables, grains, cotton, and timber, are integral to our daily lives. These products not only provide essential nutrients and materials, but also drive economies and support livelihoods. It provides sustenance, employment, and economic stability for billions of people worldwide. In many regions, agriculture is the primary source of income and employment, supporting entire communities and contributing to national economies. The agricultural sector also plays a crucial role in global trade, with countries exporting and importing agricultural products to meet their needs. Agriculture's importance extends beyond basic needs. It is at the forefront of innovation, with advancements in technology and sustainable practices transforming the way we grow and produce food. Precision farming, genetic modification, and organic farming are just a few examples of how the industry is evolving to meet the challenges of the future. It shapes landscapes, influences cultures, and impacts the environment in profound ways. The terraced rice fields of Asia, the vineyards of Europe, and the vast farmlands of the Americas are not just sources of food, but also cultural landmarks that reflect the history and traditions of their regions. Agriculture also plays a significant role in environmental stewardship, with practices aimed at preserving soil health, water resources, and biodiversity. Understanding agriculture is essential for appreciating the interconnectedness of our world and addressing global challenges such as food security and climate change. As the global population continues to grow, the demand for food will increase, making it imperative to develop sustainable agricultural practices. Additionally, agriculture is both a contributor to and a victim of climate change, with changing weather patterns affecting crop yields and farming practices. By fostering a deeper understanding of agriculture, we can work towards solutions that ensure a stable and secure food supply for future generations while protecting our planet. Farming systems vary widely across the globe, reflecting diverse geographical conditions, cultural practices, and technological advancements. These systems are shaped by the unique needs and resources of each region, leading to a rich tapestry of agricultural practices that sustain communities and economies worldwide. From small-scale subsistence farms to large-scale commercial operations, agriculture takes on many forms. Small-scale farms often operate on just a few acres of land, focusing on producing a variety of crops and livestock to meet the immediate needs of the farmer's family and local community. These farms are vital for food security and local economies, providing fresh produce and maintaining traditional farming knowledge. Subsistence farming focuses on producing enough food for the farmer's family and local community. This type of farming is prevalent in many developing countries, where farmers rely on their own labor and traditional farming techniques to grow crops and raise animals. The produce from these farms is typically consumed by the farmer's household, with any surplus sold or traded within the community. It is often characterized by labor-intensive methods and reliance on traditional knowledge. Farmers use hand tools and animal power to till the soil, plant seeds, and harvest crops. This approach, while laborious, allows farmers to work in harmony with their environment, preserving soil fertility and biodiversity. Commercial farming, on the other hand, is geared towards producing large quantities of agricultural products for sale in domestic and international markets. These farms are typically much larger and utilize advanced technologies and mechanized equipment to increase efficiency and output. Commercial farms often specialize in a few high-demand crops or livestock, optimizing production for maximum profit. Shifting cultivation and nomadic herding represent ancient farming practices that persist in certain regions. Shifting cultivation involves clearing a piece of land, farming it for a few years, and then moving on to a new area, allowing the previous plot to regenerate. Nomadic herding, practiced in arid and semi-arid regions, involves moving livestock to different grazing areas throughout the year to find fresh pastures. Mixed farming combines crop cultivation with livestock rearing, creating a symbiotic relationship where the waste products of one component serve as inputs for the other. For example, animal manure is used to fertilize crops, while crop residues provide feed for livestock. This integrated approach enhances farm productivity and sustainability. While plantation agriculture specializes in large-scale production of a single cash crop. These plantations are often found in tropical regions and focus on crops like coffee, tea, sugarcane, and rubber. The monoculture system allows for efficient, large-scale production, but can lead to soil depletion and increased vulnerability to pests and diseases. Each system has its own advantages and disadvantages, shaping the agricultural landscape and influencing food production patterns. The diversity of farming systems reflects the adaptability and ingenuity of farmers around the world, who continuously innovate to meet the challenges of their environment and the demands of a growing global population. Understanding these diverse systems is crucial for developing sustainable agricultural practices that can ensure food security and environmental health for future generations. Subsistence farming is a way of life for millions of people, particularly in developing countries. It is a practice deeply rooted in tradition and necessity, where the primary goal is to produce enough food to sustain the farmer's family throughout the year. This form of agriculture is not just about growing crops. It is about survival, culture, and community. It is a type of agriculture where farmers focus on producing enough food to feed themselves and their families, with little or no surplus for sale. This means that every seed planted, every crop harvested, and every animal raised is crucial for the family's sustenance. The produce from these farms is often diverse, including grains, vegetables, fruits, and small livestock, ensuring a balanced diet for the family. This type of farming is often characterized by small landholdings, labor-intensive methods, and reliance on traditional knowledge passed down through generations. The wisdom of the elders plays a significant role in guiding farming practices, from planting seasons to crop rotation and pest management. These traditional techniques, though labor-intensive, are sustainable and have been honed over centuries to suit the local environment and climate. Subsistence farmers typically grow a variety of crops to meet their nutritional needs, often alongside raising small livestock for meat, milk, and eggs. This diversity is not just for nutrition, but also as a risk management strategy. If one crop fails due to disease or adverse weather, others may still thrive, ensuring that the family does not go hungry. They work the land using hand tools or simple animal-drawn implements. These tools, though basic, are effective and have been adapted to the specific needs of the crops and the terrain. The use of animal-drawn plows, for instance, allows for deeper tilling of the soil, which can improve water retention and root growth. While subsistence farming may seem inefficient compared to modern commercial agriculture, it plays a vital role in ensuring food security in many parts of the world. In regions where access to markets is limited and economic resources are scarce, subsistence farming provides a reliable source of food. It also fosters a sense of community and mutual support, as families often share resources and labor, to help each other through difficult times. This interconnectedness strengthens social bonds and ensures that knowledge and skills are passed on to future generations, preserving cultural heritage and promoting resilience in the face of challenges. Commercial farming stands in stark contrast to subsistence farming, focusing on large-scale production of agricultural products for sale in domestic and international markets. This type of farming is characterized by large landholdings, capital-intensive methods, and the use of advanced technology. Commercial farmers often specialize in producing a single crop or raising a specific type of livestock, maximizing efficiency and output. They rely heavily on machinery, fertilizers, pesticides, and genetically modified organisms to increase yields and reduce labor costs. Commercial farming plays a crucial role in feeding the world's growing population, providing a wide variety of food products to consumers far and wide. However, it also raises concerns about environmental sustainability and the ethical treatment of animals.